So here we have 128x squared negative 32. We are supposed to factorize this one. Let's take 32 common. Can we write 128 as 4 times 32 and then
Yeah.
x square and then further negative 32, right? So what we will be left with 4x square. Now 32 will remain as it is, but inside the bracket, can I write 4x square as 2x whole square and then negative 1 square, right? Which identity is applicable now?
A square minus B square.
That is right. So 2x minus 1 and then 2x plus 1 using a square negative b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So final answer would
Yeah.
be 32 in bracket 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. Okay. Again, what we are going to do is let's take 2 common. I can write 50 as 25 times 2, right?
Yeah.
And negative 2x square. What is common in
Yeah.
both the terms? 2. I can write 25 minus x square inside the bracket. I will use the same identity. Here, we can write that 2 in bracket 25 is 5 square, right? And minus x
Yeah.
square. We can further expand
X
this
square.
as 5
2
minus
into
x.
5 minus x.
5 plus x. And this is your final answer. 2 in bracket 5 minus x in bracket 5 plus x.